material thickness is, I'm going to add a millimeter to that measurement for my rivet length. That way I can have 1/2 millimeter sticking out on the front and 1/2 millimeter sticking out of the back. So I'm going to set my caliper to 3 millimeters. And it's going to gently tighten so it doesn't move. So just be careful not to over tighten that screw. And then I'm going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to just butt it up there and mark this side like that. Yeah. Then I'm going to do the same with my other material.